Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel ToFitLinda. This is Linda Emmanuel and I am on a journey to becoming the best version of myself and also to losing 120 pounds. If this is your first time on my channel, thank you for stopping by, and please do well to subscribe to my channel. And also a very big thank you to all my returning subscribers for always coming back to watch my video. So guys, in today's video I'll be showing you all how I make my always to go weight loss drink. This is my always to go weight loss drink. I'll be showing you guys how I make it, and that is the lemon and ginger weight loss drink. It is very simple to make. Just follow my process and you have your own lemon and ginger weight loss drink. With that being said, let's get started. Guys, that will be all for today's video. Thank you all for watching. If you like this video, please do give it a thumbs up, comment, share to your friends and family, and subscribe if you've not yet subscribed to my channel. And also go follow me on my Facebook page ToFitLinda, on my Instagram account Linda_King111, and also on my podcast ToFitLinda. I will be leaving the links in the description box below. See you next time.